Hi friends, today news headlines చూద్దాం. Please share and like. 20 Indian soldiers killed in face of Galwan. Government presents 2.24 lakh crore budget outlay cuts by 1.4%. Cheap drug shows results in COVID patients. Top priority to welfare, social justice. Governor, ICSC students in two minds over exam. Tell us what is happening. Opposition. China trying to change status quo. Our borders will remain intact. BJP. RTC buses to turn into mobile testing labs. Private schools, colleges fleecing parents. AU gears up to start online classes. 10 new cases take tally to 313 in district. APR set 2019 merit list released. 17-year-old girl allegedly commits suicide. Giri Pradakshina cancelled this year. 2 die, 1 injured in road accident. VRO in ACB Net nominated as sports officer. Farmers, industrialists in state feel the pinch. Officials make mask mandatory in city. Accused in gold heist case held after 3 years tests positive. Drop plans of conducting SSC exams. BGYM urges government. Drop plans of conducting SSC exams. BGYM urges government to tap solar energy for 9-hour farm supply. Police unearthed sand smuggling racket. Guntur reports 35 new cases. Ambulance seized with liquor bottles. Published by N. Ravi et. Top priority to welfare, says Governor. Welfare gets lion's share in the state budget. 34% dip in allocation for agriculture sector. Budget full of false claims, lies and betrayals. Naidu. 2 more deaths push toll to 88. Assembly passes CRDA repeal 3 capital bills. A right mix chambers. Allocation to water resources department to cut. Neglect of irrigation sector decried. State being pushed into a debt trap. RTC buses to turn into mobile testing labs. People ignoring quarantine norms to face criminal cases. Recurrent hikes in diesel price leave fishermen in dire straits. Drugs scam lab technician shop owner hold. Get set for voting safely. Historic temple unearthed in Nelluru. Tungabhadra Prakashams to be organized from November 20. Submit applications for AU set by July 5th. Submit applications for offset by July 5th. Vizag gas leak panel to meet regularity bodies. Ayanna booked for violating COVID norms. Sarvadakshina tokens booked till June 26th. TTD. Nepal ties and Benares to Bengaluru spectrum. Rural India the new viral flashpoint. Of gods and governments for better conditions of work in defense of MP leads. Pressure on ruling Congress leaders. Temperature and reforms. China sees dip. TN records 1,515 cases, 49 deaths. ICSE students in 2 minds over exams. Kol Santosh Babu's martyrdom hailed. Will request PM for more relaxations. Karnataka CM additional flights to operate from the US. Kerala Tourism plans to promote short haul towers. Cheap drug shows results in COVID patients. Test knocks in Vande Bharat mission flights. State to up randomized tests. Raitu Bandhu for fresh pataters. PHDM pill submission at UOH. Go online. Adopt reusable masks. Says Karnataka Minister. 78 terrorists killed in Jammu and Kashmir this year. India says Chinese troops tried to change status quo. Opposition calls for clarity on crisis. Borders of India will remain intact. Nada. Lives and livelihoods our priority, says Modi. Center profiteering from low oil prices, says Sonia. Youth lynched in Mumbai on suspicion of theft. Youth lynched in Mumbai on suspicion of theft. 3 militants slain in Champagne. Time to stand up to Chinese incursions. CP holds nationwide protests. Rise 4 demands. SC issues notice to Goa Assembly Speaker. EC to refer false affidavit planes to probe agencies. District-wise data of COVID hospitals to be put online. India ramps up testing capacity for virus. Gujarat model exposed. Rahul. BJP shifts MLAs to Jaipur hostel. COVID-19 patients' death to be probed. UP Congress chief gets bail in buses case. Hoda slams BJP for rallies in Haryana. India expects to sail through UN Security Council. UN Security Council. Quote, India expects to sail through UN Security Council. Quote, Nepal curbs on foreign channels. Climate report predicts hotter. Climate report predicts hotter, rainer days. No rise in domestic violence cases, says NCW chairperson. Shortage of banking facilities crippling Odisha's rural area. Achievers coming foretold. LT Gen Vohor 1971 was hero. Passes away. India pledges support to Nepal temple. Sri Lankan educators fear virus might bring about new divides. North Korea blows up liaison office with South. 1 in 5 people globally at risk of severe COVID-19 study. US top court ruling backs LGBT workers. Taiwan jets drive away Chinese fighter plan. Sri Lanka seizes journalist laptop over Swiss kidnap claim. Israel army is raiding Ramallah, Beijing in critical situation. New cases from cluster. Full demand reaches 80 to 85% of pre-COVID-19 levels. Pradhan. Mobile card payments stopped. ATM withdrawals in 2019. Government banks disperse 16,031 crore to MSMEs. China's Great Wall Motor commits into $1 billion investment in Maharashtra. Indices rise on global cues amid border tension. Retail fuel price aligned with international price. Tax dispute settlement dents NMDC Q4 profit. ICICI Bank cuts FD rates by 1575 bps. Highest smartphone usage in India. ATF dearer by 16%. Petrol, diesel costlier. Nifty 50 price change. Adani. Recovery tests on controlling epidemic. Fed. India gets 30,000 bookings for new Creta. Exchange rates indicative territory. With 334 spices, Gahuti redefining concept of urban jungle. Sport needed now. Measure of normalcy. Not letting the lockdown drag him down. Not letting the lockdown drag him down. Third time lucky for Batis in Kings stand stakes. Fans told to stay away. T20 World Cup plans unrealistic. CA. Lending support to hockey family. Carolus' own goal helps Levante hold Sevilla. PGA Championship to go ahead without fans. Lisbon likely to host CL final phase. BCCI ethics offer. Jain gets an extension.